In this video tutorial, you will learn how to submit an eForm to request a change of major. First, you're going to log into MyCareer. Once you're on the landing page, on the self-service menu, go to Web Advisor for Students, select User Account, and from the User Account menu, click on eForms. From the eTrieve Central landing page, select Forms, and on the Student Admissions and Records forms, there's a lot of forms you can choose from, but what we're looking for is the Change My Major / Program eForm. Click on the form. On the right hand panel, your eForm will pop up with your information. You will then read the instructions. It will be a good idea to read instructions or meet with the counselor before changing your major to ensure that you are selecting the right program. And from there, you will select the subject. Unfortunately, this is abbreviated, so you really do need to know exactly what you're looking for from the list. So let's say in this example, I'm changing to a anthropology major. I'm going to click on ANTHR, which is the abbreviation for anthropology, and then I will select my program. Now, my program is going to be my focus, whether it's going to be an AA degree for transfer, a non-transfer degree, and then you would want to select your general education pattern, whether it's a CSU, general education, or IGETC. If you are not planning on transferring, it would be the first option, which is the AA degree non-transfer track. In this example, I am going to choose the anthropology AAT degree for transfer with the IGETC general education pattern. I'm going to click on that. And then in the last step, this is a very important step, you need to click Submit. Once you hit the Submit button, you will get a little notification that your form has been submitted. Admissions and Records will receive your request and process that request as soon as possible. And usually you can change your major once per semester, so it is possible you won't see that change right away if you've already changed your major before, but if it is updated, then you will be able to see in student planning your new major. Thank you for watching.